I once believed that making £10,000 a month with just a simple idea was a distant dream. But today, I stand here to tell you that it's not only possible, but it can be done on autopilot. Imagine waking up every morning, checking your bank account, and seeing those five figures numbers rolling in without lifting a finger. That's the power of launching a SaaS product. How can you achieve this financial freedom? The answer lies in creating a software as a service product, also known as SaaS, and putting it on autopilot. Identify a problem that needs solving, develop a software that addresses it and offers it as a subscription based service. Your customer pays you regularly for the value your product provides, and you scale up your customer base. How do you go from zero to £10,000 a month? Here is how. First, identify a niche with a pressing problem. Research, talk to potential customer and understand their pain points. Next, develop your SaaS product. It could be a time-saving tool, an efficiency improving application, or anything that provides a real value. Once your product is ready, launch it with a compelling marketing strategy. Use social media, content marketing, and email campaigns to attract your first customers. Automate your business processes, implement subscription billing system, and automate customer support, and continuously improve your product based on your user feedback. And finally, scale. As more customers subscribe, your revenue will increase. Reinvest in marketing and customer acquisition to reach that magical £10,000 per month mark. But the most important thing is to take action. Don't procrastinate. Start today. The journey from where I was a dreamer to where I am a successful SaaS entrepreneur wasn't easy, but it is achievable.